Now I'm gonna show you one of the most important things that you should set up on your new phone. Let's just go right into your settings. Under your settings, I want you to scroll down so you guys see Control Center. Just go into Control Center. From here, I want you to add this, low power mode. We're just gonna click on the add button and that's gonna be added here. Anything that we don't want here, we can take it out. I'm gonna show you what that is. So let me just minimize this for now. Keep in mind, I did say minimize, we didn't fully close it. On the top right-hand corner, we're gonna slide down. Right now, we see this. I just added this, so I can turn on my low power mode on, and there we go. So if you're running out of battery, or you know you're gonna have a long day, you won't be able to charge your phone, you want that low power mode to be on the whole time. That's very important because it does help out with your battery big time. Anytime that you don't care about it, just turn it off. That's how you can turn it off right here on your phone. So we're gonna slide up and I want to show you the long way of doing that. So right now we added that shortcut so we can just go power on, power off for our low battery mode. And we can do that from our settings as well. So let me just go back into our settings. And right here, if we scroll down just a little bit, you have to look for your battery. Here's our battery. I can turn on my low power mode just by doing that or turn it off. However, that's the long way and that's why I showed you guys how to put that into your settings so you don't have that problem. Now once again, to turn on the flashlight of any phone for that matter, all we have to do is just tap up here, scroll down, and we're gonna see our flashlight where we can turn it on. So I just turned it on, so my flash is always working. I'm gonna turn it off and on, off and on. And that's how it works, and that's for any iPhone out there. So once again, it doesn't matter which phone you guys have, it's gonna be the exact same tutorial for any one of these. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.